going on, dudes? Today I'm going to be checking out the VR ears from Rebuff Reality. I've been actually waiting a long time for these because I'm a Kickstarter backer. Well, I actually held off on opening this box because I wanted to do it with these, the Facebook AR, sort of AR glasses. But yeah, let's do this unboxing, see what's inside. I swear, I've been waiting like an entire year for this thing. Seen online, the reviews have been really mixed. Like, I've seen people just straight up hating on these things, and then I've also seen the other end of the spectrum where people are praising the shit out of them. My main thing with the VR ears is if the bass isn't like at least on par with a lot of like regular over-ear headphones, then it might be a no-go for me and I might have to sell these things. Yeah, I do plan on actually doing a full review probably within the next maybe 1 to 2 weeks. I've just been really busy with life and I really want to put this piece of content out to you guys, and yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, let's open this guy. I dig the packaging. Hear off-world, listen off-ear. Cool. Holy crap, these things are fucking huge. That's nuts. Okay, the size is a little off-putting, but they better deliver. Maybe they'll get smaller in the version 2, if they do a version 2 of these things. Okay, so they seem to be attached by a cable. Let's take this box out. Right, left. Okay. Accessories. I want to say this is like a Rift S attachment piece. 5 Pro attachment. I'm looking for Valve Index. Why would you want to put these things on a Valve Index? PSVR. Okay, so the Facebook glasses kind of crapped out on me, and I sort of jumped ahead to looking at the instructions, and yeah, I think I'm figuring out how all this works. So, okay, so here's the headphones. The headphones attached to, okay, like this. These clips like this, and they pretty much fit on the Quest 2 Elite strap perfectly. You just have to tighten them with these on the sides, and yeah, they're not going anywhere. It's not a bad idea. And apparently you can adjust these like in a lot of different ways. So I've just been going through the instructions and trying to figure out how to angle them in such a way that like they don't get messed up. And it comes with this Allen key wrench I'm supposed to do something with. So yeah, let me try to figure that out. On second thought, here, check out what the VR ears look like. They're attached to this cable. They charge on the left side, and it seems like you can also turn them on and then use this to adjust the master volume. First impressions, man, these things are huge. So they better produce a good bass response, or damn, dude, I'm gonna be pissed. They weren't like that expensive, but you know, it was at least $100, man. Okay, let's figure out how to put these on here. Let's make this work. I actually did try to rotate them, but they're pretty stuck. I don't know if this is a good idea to have this on here, because I'm pretty sure you have to loosen them with this like Allen key thing. Oh, this loosens this. I think that should be about good. So now I'm locking it into this set position. So there's like different positions where as you spin this little wheel, it kind of locks into it, so you can tighten it down. So I think that's good. Yeah, I'm not digging how they sit like that, because I even have it pulled up as much as I can, and it's still just like tilting, you know, it's freaking touching the ground, man. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna do for long-term durability, because I don't want to keep taking these on and off. Okay, they're pretty much in the same position. At least they come off easily like that. I kind of dig that, like right here, so I can keep the brackets on. I'm not gonna open up this one. Open up the index one just to see what in the hell this exactly is. If I can get it open. I have no idea what the hell this is. Let's look at the instructions. Okay, where is, okay, there it is. Dude, I hope these things are durable, because they're going to be sitting like this a lot. USB-C charging cable. Kind of short. I wish they would have gave a little longer one. And it comes with another right angle audio. And yeah, it's really small. Don't lose this if you guys decide to get these things. But okay guys, so that's gonna do it for the unboxing. Like I said, this is just a really quick thing I decided to do, and I'm going to do an actual full review in the future. Let me know what you guys think, and if you think I should do more videos like this more often, I should probably just try to produce more content in general more often. But yeah, I think I might stick with the hardware thing for a while I'm trying to think what else I should do as far as content on my channel. Is that a scratch? I hope not. Alright guys, peace out and be your dudes and dudettes.